everybody. Welcome back to Evolving Mail. So I'm on my way home from work. I travel Interstate 4 every day through Orlando, and right now it's Friday at 3:20. All right, another hour. It's party time. But anyway, it's 3:20, and normally going through here on a normal day, on a Monday or Tuesday, it's stopped. It's stopped. I'm doing over 80 miles an hour right now. Come get me, Popo. You can see I'm flying through here, and about a mile it would normally definitely be stopped, and it's usually like slow. Like, but on a Friday, just a 2 mile, 3 mile stretch of road, or 3 to 5 miles, somewhere in there. Anyway, it'll take me 45 minutes to get 5 miles. It's horrible. I might as well be in like New York City. And since this coronavirus crap's been going on, this has been nothing. This has been like an amazing ride. 80 miles an hour. And I'm getting past. I'm doing 83 miles an hour, and this truck right in front of me, I was in his way, so I had to get over and get out of the way. So it's insane, totally insane. Disney World and Epcot and the other one, Animal Kingdom, dang, closed. Universal closed. Traffic is insane. I'm going to turn you around again and show you. Like, I'm normally stopped all through here. I mean, 3 lanes of traffic is stopped. Coming off the 417 is 4 lanes merging into 2 that merge on the I-4. Normally stopped. This is incredible. This really tells you how many people are not coming to Florida, which I love it traffic-wise, but I don't pay state tax, and it's going to start if we don't start getting some tourism back. But it is absolutely insane to be going close to 80 miles an hour through here when I'm normally going 3. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for checking out. This is Evolving Mail Jeep Gladiator Edition during the Covid-19 apocalypse. Thanks for checking me out, guys. See you later. Take it easy. Beautiful weekend in Florida. Have fun.